Then 16, 17, and 18 just going in the opposite direction. So here I have 1/3 log base 5 of W. So I'm going to have log base 5 of W to the 1/3 power. I'm adding 5 log base 5 of X. So I'm going to multiply that by X to the 5th power. I'm subtracting log base 5 of Z, so I'm just going to have divided by the Z. Now sometimes I think on the LH program they throw those extra parentheses around like that. I don't think they're necessary, but they like to put them in there. So number 17 looks a little bit trickier because now they threw some parentheses on there, but this becomes this exponent. So I would have Z minus 6, whoops, I better put log base A. Log base A, Z minus 6 to the 7th power. This is subtracting, so that's going to be over Z plus 7 to the 4th power. And then again, on Alex, they probably put parentheses around that whole big thing when you try to type it in. So if you try to do number 18, what's going to happen with number 18? First of all, what should I probably do with this 2 because it's in front of that parentheses? What would I normally do with the 2 that's in front of the parentheses? Multiply it out, distribute it up. So I would have 2 log base B of V minus 10 log base B of W, and then plus the 3 log base B of Z. Now I can go ahead and put it together. So I would end up with log base B of so I'm going to have V to the 2nd power, right? What's going to happen with this one? Divide it by to the not negative 10. That's why we divided, because it was negative. So just W to the 10th. And then what's going to happen to this? So it's going to end up being on the top. So anything that's positive will end up on the top. Anything with a negative is going to end up on the bottom of the fraction. Okay? And again, they probably have these extra parentheses. I don't know that they're really necessary, but I think they automatically throw them in when you try to type your answer. So we'll look something sort of like that. And I think that's the end. Yep. All right.